carcast. BMW E36 was one of the most magnificent and beloved car models of the 1990s. Simple, elegant, and powerful. This model left its mark on an entire era, with both its design and technical features. In short, it was the icon of the 90s. The car's exterior design featured flowing lines, wide headlights, a low-profile front end, and a compact rear completed its aerodynamic and sporty look. Even the small side mirrors fit perfectly into the harmony of functionality and design. Overall, the E36 combined classic BMW styling with modern touches, creating a unique and appealing appearance. The interior was comfortable and functional enough to meet the needs of its time. The driver-oriented dashboard layout made handling more intuitive. The car was equipped with ABS brakes, traction control, electronic climate control, and airbags, making it both safe and comfortable. The BMW E36 was available with both petrol and diesel engines. The model range spanned from the 316i to the 328i with 4- and 6-cylinder engines. Petrol versions offered speed and agility, while diesel variants excelled in torque and fuel economy. Some models could accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 7 seconds. This made it not only a great choice for daily driving, but also an irresistible option for speed enthusiasts. Most importantly, thanks to its rear-wheel drive system and balanced weight distribution, the BMW E36 became a true legend for drifting. It's no coincidence that you still often see E36 models in drift competitions today. In conclusion, the BMW E36 secured its place in history as one of the highest quality cars of the 1990s, thanks to its stylish design, powerful engines, and excellent handling.